Listen carefully, because this message is for you. Yes, you, the one who's been fighting silent battles, carrying invisible weights, and still waking up every day trying again. Today, I want to remind you of something incredibly important. You are not done yet. Your story is not over. And no matter how tired, stressed, or discouraged you feel, there is still a champion inside you waiting to rise. You see, life doesn't test the weak, it tests the strong. And the fact that you're going through challenges right now isn't a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that you are being shaped, strengthened, and prepared for something greater. Most people quit when they're tired. Most people stop when the road gets dark. Most people surrender when life pushes them. But you're not most people. If you were, you wouldn't be listening to this right now. You are searching, you are learning, you are trying, and that alone makes you extraordinary. Let me tell you something important. Every successful person you admire, every champion, every leader, every inspiration, they all went through seasons of doubt. They all faced nights of fear. They all experienced moments when quitting seemed easier than continuing. But they made one powerful decision. They refused to give up on themselves. And today, I'm here to ask you to make the same decision. Don't give up. Not now. Not here. Not after everything you've already survived. Look back for a moment. Think about the battles you fought, the obstacles you climbed, the days you thought you wouldn't make it, but you did. You survived heartbreak. You survived disappointment. You survived judgment, failure, rejection, and loneliness. And through all of that, you are still here, still breathing, still standing, still fighting. That is not weakness. That is not luck. That is strength, determination, and resilience. You are